Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 17, that is Forests, Our Lifeline. So, before starting this chapter, let's discuss a little bit about forest. That in forest, what are the things we are going to get? So in forests there are different varieties of plants, herbs, shrubs, trees. Not only that, the varieties of trees, huge number of varieties, huge number of herbs and huge number of shrubs. There are a huge lot of varieties of animals, birds, microbes, insects. Means ultimately you can say that forest is what is nature's house. Means in forest every type of living creature is there. We are going to get that type of living creature in the forest. So in this chapter we are going to study about the forest, how it works as our lifeline. And we will also study that if we remove forest from our life or from our nature, then what will happen. So here in this chapter, in the beginning of this chapter, there is a park where the two famous characters from our book, one is Paheli and the other one is Buju. They both are playing, and there is a person also sitting. That is, he is a professor from a university. That is Mr. Ahmed. Professor Ahmed. So Ahmed sir was Professor Ahmed was sitting over there, and children are playing. Mr. Ahmed or Professor Ahmed or Ahmed sir was very tired on that day, because there was a meeting about Golden Jubilee celebration of the town is going on, and after the meeting there will be a short important discussion about the employment of the peoples. So in the Golden Jubilee celebration of the town, Professor Ahmed participated and everyone enjoys. But after the meeting, the whole people of the town, they sit together and they talk about clearing of the forest and making some factories so that the youth of that city will get the job in the factories. But Mr. Ahmed was a little bit anxious about this proposal. Not only Mr. Ahmed, there are some other peoples also who opposes this proposal during the meeting, that they don't want the forest to clean, and they don't want to clean the forest for the formation of or for the factories, for the construction of factories where employment will be there. So the children were playing in the park, and after some time when they feel tired, they come and sit close to the Mr. Ahmed, close to Professor Ahmed, and they start talking and asking, and when they come to know about the Golden Jubilee celebration, the children start asking about the Golden Jubilee celebration. Mr. Professor Ahmed explained everything to them, and also about the factory planning. Children were very surprised to listen to the theme that peoples are opposing the construction of factory, because they are not able to understand what's wrong is there, or if they clean the forest, then what will happen. So Professor Ahmed starts telling them about the importance of the forest. So cleaning of forest means what? Cleaning of huge number of plants. And when plants will be lost means huge number of insects, microorganisms, birds and the animals which depend on those trees or plants, they also will be lost. So Professor Ahmad explained about it, and he told them forests serve as green lungs and water purifying systems in nature. Professor Ahmad understood that these children never visited a forest, so they never understood. They were not able to understood about the importance of forest. So Professor Ahmad planned to take them for a visit to the forest. But here the most important words for us to understand is forests serve as green lungs and water purifying system in nature. This is the role played by forest in our life, that these are the lungs of the earth. These green plants or this forest are the lungs of the earth, means they purify the air and also they purify the water. How we will discuss in the next lectures. So class, I hope you are able to understand this introduction lecture of this chapter, Forest Our Lifeline. If any problem, ask me class, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.